Oh fuck, it's a good one.
It's bloody windy.
This might be a PB, mate. Oh shit.
I'm fishing for Zander in strong winds. So the question is, can you catch them in them kind of conditions? Or is it just a waste of time? Let's find out. The wind has more control over me here than I do.
Well, I'm surprised that I did a nice fish.
Yeah, I saw it. Ooh, that wasn't that. Oh shit, it's a good one. Yep, got it. Nice one, Rick. The wind.
So he said, I'm surprised that you would ask me to try out.
Female.
And he wrote back and said, I only said
no,
try
it's
out because there's going to be some new kids trying. So I'm not sure it's going to matter today. A nice fish.
Yep.
Decent enough for today's work.
And he went for it.
He did go for it.
I saw the.
And it was out in the middle there.
Yep.
See if he doesn't go for me. I may have to get my...
Off he goes. Come on. Rick, I'm on. And it's a good one. Oh fuck, it's a good one. Bloody hell. Oh shit. This might be a PB. This might be a PB, mate. Oh, bloody hell. Ooh. This is a PB, mate. Oh shit. Look, see how it's going? Which side? That side. This is a PB. I think, I don't know. Oh, shit, it's a good one. Fuck, it's a PB. That's a...
Camera running?
Yeah. It's a PB. I don't think so. Oh shit, I saw it, it's right under the net. Oh shit, it's snagged. It's foul hooked.
That's all right.
That's why I felt it might be a good one. Get in. Ooh. It's in, it's in. Ooh. Yeah, it's in. Bloody hell. Fucking hell. Yeah. Shit, we'll have to measure that one. Oh, it's well fat. Shit. What? Oh look, work on the fin.
That's something else. I've never seen that before.
Does it count?
Of course it counts.
Yeah, I suppose it does.
I mean, I really doubt that you just snagged him.
Nah, I snagged it. Do you mind taking a picture?
It serves him right.
Yeah, just 66.
66.
66. Okay, not a PB, but nevertheless.
Very nice fish.
Yep, let's put him back.
And a heavy one.
Oh shit.
Fat one. Male.
Release. John!
Just keep moving back and forth. Between the sign and the magic bridge. It's a tough one to miss.
Oh, bloody God, that was good. What a fun. But it was power up. So it doesn't really count.
He was able to put his head down and go. That was fun fight, wasn't it?
No, kind of, but I wish it wasn't power up.
Sorry? Rick's on. And you called it. Nice one, Rick.
He's on a very small hook. Very small.
Drop shot. Oh. Oh shit. It does, yeah. Nice one, Rick. On the drop shot, yeah?
Trophy drop shots. Well done, Dad. This is my dad's wedding ring. I lost mine and my mom said, well, why don't you take this one?
Get in.
Alright.
We ain't happy.
No, he's not happy at all. Did he swallow it? Did you come up?
Yep. Looks like it.
You gonna give it up? Ooh, small. Hang on there, brother.
Close to the bank.
3 meters off the bank. Ow. Found the hook. There you go.
Nice one.
It's a good start.
Yep.
Ready?
Gone. This is the last one. Last cast. Bam. Yeah, I'm on. Gotcha.